Do you guys remember this gear? This is the Deity Connect interview kit. I already did a review of this kit in a previous video, so I will just leave it right over here. If you guys are interested in this kit, I'll just leave a link to the video down in the description, because in today's video, I'll be talking about this little guy. This new device from Deity is like if ever the Deity Connect had a baby, this would be it. So without further ado, let me introduce to you the Deity Pocket Wireless.
Okay, alright.
Hey guys, Joe here, back with another tech review. So let's talk about the Deity Pocket Wireless. It is a compact wireless microphone kit that can work on most DSLRs, video cameras, audio recorders, smartphones, and even laptops for your Zoom and Twitch streams. I'm currently using the microphone for this video just so you know the quality of the audio. Now that we're done with that, let's get on to the unboxing. Inside the kit, you have manuals and warranty card, an awesome looking hard case that stores all your accessories you need, a USB-C charger, a USB-C to USB-C cable for phone connection, a USB-C to 3.5mm smart TRRS cable, a lavalier microphone, a fur windscreen for windy situations, a USB-C firmware update adapter for you to update the latest firmware, the Pocket Wireless transmitter, and lastly, the Pocket Wireless receiver. That's pretty much it. The Pocket Wireless has two colors to choose from, black and white. They also released another kit that features a Deity tabletop tripod with a mount included. Perfect for mobile phone users. My first impressions about the Pocket Wireless is that it's so compact it can fit on the palm of my hand. Taking a closer look at these two is that both have a clip that is not only used to attach on your clothes, but can work as a cold shoe to mount on any gear. The Pocket transmitter features a built-in microphone and a locking 3.5mm input. So there are two ways to use the transmitter as a microphone. You can clip it to your shirt, like this, or you can use the lavalier that is included in the kit and screw it into the transmitter. I prefer the latter way of using it because of its locking 3.5mm input. So if you accidentally pull the lav, it doesn't come out of the transmitter easily. The kit also incorporates the analog limiter similar to its Deity Connect family that helps prevent clipping and distorted audio. Perfect for those who are in a hurry to do the recording, because sometimes, let's admit it, we don't have the time to do sound checks. The receiver has an OLED display screen that is pretty user-friendly in my opinion. You can flip the interface by long pressing the levels button, useful in scenarios when you mount the receiver at different angles. Pairing the two is pretty simple. Just press the sync button once on both devices and the two are easily paired. The devices have 5-hour battery life and only take a charging time of an hour and a half to make them fully charged. It has a long-range transmission of up to 50 meters. In the next video, I'll show you how it performs in a scenario where there is a blockage from the transmitter to the receiver. Okay, I'm currently at our garage and behind me are two cars. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go behind each of the two cars and see if you can still hear the microphone even if it's being blocked by the receiver. So I'm gonna slowly go behind here. And can you guys still hear my microphone? Hello? I'm just behind here. Okay, I'm gonna go to the second car to see if you can still hear the microphone at this distance. So I'm still here, just a bit farther, and there's a second car blocking the receiver. So do you think it's still working? I don't know at this point, but I will see when I get back to my computer. And yeah, that's my outdoor test, testing the Deity Pocket Wireless. Now you might be wondering why I brought back this big guy in today's video. Well, this is my favorite feature about the Deity Pocket Wireless. For the first time in any portable wireless system, the Pocket Wireless can connect to any of the Deity Connect units. For example, the Pocket Wireless receiver can connect to any Deity Connect transmitters, such as the HDTX and BPTX. The same goes for the Pocket Wireless transmitter. If you have a Duo RX, which you can purchase separately, you can connect it with the Pocket Wireless transmitter. So if ever you're ready to upgrade and invest in other Deity Connect units, this Pocket Wireless will always be part of your arsenal. And you can have this wonderful gadget for just $169, which is not bad and affordable in the current wireless microphone market. So yeah, I enjoyed reviewing this kit because it's mind-blowing of how Deity thought out the small details, like the locking 3.5mm input so you don't need to worry about detachment, an analog limiter to avoid distortions and clipping, and its capabilities of integrating itself with its Deity Connect family. What do you guys think of the Deity Pocket Wireless, and how would you use it in your normal day-to-day usage? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to show your support by leaving a thumbs up, write a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified for new videos such as this. This is Serrano signing out, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, guys.